Geobyte.
Hi students, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us see how the failure is the part of success. As we all know, there are some trees which are growing fast and there are some other trees which are growing slow. Let us compare the papaya tree and bamboo tree. When you plant the papaya seed, it will be easily seedling and will be growing in a span of few months, but it cannot withstand the heavy wind forces because the papaya tree roots are not strong enough to withstand the wind force. On the other hand, when you plant the bamboo seed, it takes lot of time to come out as a plant. Though you keep on watering and watering, nothing has come out in the first year, nothing has come out in the second year, nothing has come out in the third year. Like that, you need to wait nearly 5 years. After 5 years, it starts to appear all of sudden and it will grow nearly 100 feet in a span of 6 months. What that bamboo tree is doing in these successive 5 years? You will say nothing has it done, but it is deepening its roots. It is strengthening its root to withstand wind force. Such a long tree is needed very solid roots. Therefore, it is strengthening its roots during that 5 years. Similarly, that God wants you to that perfection, but it takes time. In this time, there may be some errors, there may be some mistakes, and there are times you may fall, but don't get discouraged. You consider that time or those are your opportunities to learn and progress. Don't get discouraged. There are so many things in the world which were rejected as failure. Later on, they became the great success. Your friends may be saying you are failure. The world may say you are failure, but don't discouraged. Now, let us take few examples how the people overcome their failures. We have all heard about the cartoon maker Walt Disney. He failed in the first attempt, Once, while he was making the cartoons for a church, he has given a rat infested place to stay where he practiced the rat cartoon. It means he considered that rat infested area as opportunity to practice the rat cartoons. Later on, he became the greatest cartoon maker, rat cartoon maker. Similarly, all we have heard, the author of Gone with Wind, when he presented his first manuscript to the publisher, publisher rejected it, saying it is failed one. But later it became one of the greatest novel in the history. Similarly, all we know about the Alexander Graham Bell, when he invented the telephone and presented it to an investor, the investor asked him to take away that toy from his table, saying, I am not interested. But as we know, later, how the telephone became the popular thing. Similarly, when Wilbur and Orwell Smith was constructing the flight in the New York Times, there was an article in the editorial. It was written like this: these crazy people and crazy mission want to fly in the air. It is impossible. Only birds can fly. After 3 days of that article, they got success. Similarly, we have all known about the missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. When he became the director to his first project was failed. But later on, as we know, how he became the great scientist in the nuclear field. He was awarded with the Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Bharat Ratna. Dear students, from all these examples, you can conclude that there is no such thing of failure. It is a constant learning process. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Geobyte.